If you want to learn how to code C# using a lightweight development tool like Visual Studio Code, just go to the site code.visualstudio.com/docs/languages/.net and choose and install the .NET Coding Pack for Windows or for macOS. Once installed, add the C# for Visual Studio Code powered by OmniSharp extension directly from the marketplace.visualstudio.com site, or search for it by clicking on the extension icon in Visual Studio Code. Now you can open C# code, create project and run them. Let's create an application console that prints the classic hello world from the terminal. Create a new directory, example hello world from a terminal, change to the hello world directory with the cd command. Run the .NET new console command to automatically create the application structure. Now from the file, open folder and select the newly created directory. The files automatically created by the setup will load in the Explorer panel. The message will appear, require asset to build and debug are missing from the hello world. Up then, click yes. Open program.cs and you will already find the basis statement to print in console. To run the application from the terminal, type the .NET run command. Hello world message will appear on the terminal.